Let me break something real easy down for you to understand. It doesn't matter how cool your hair looks. If you're running a giant business that's trying to succeed, bro, if you don't got nerds in your corner, you are never going to make it, because guys like the guys over at Microsoft that for 35 years now have been knocking it out of the park, it doesn't make a difference what they do. They always find a way to come out the winner. Whenever things don't work, Microsoft knows when to pull it back. And when things do work, Microsoft knows how to forge ahead. They beat on earnings today. 27 cents they beat, coming in at 98 cents. A 27-cent beat on earnings. Do you know how many analysts cover Microsoft? There's a lot. Like every analyst that covers anything covers Microsoft. To beat by that much, it just goes to show how much Microsoft is honing in their business even this many years later. It's such a highly productive company. The company is filled with intelligent people, and Microsoft never actually fails to surprise me. They beat on revenues, came in $24.5 billion. I think they beat by $420 million. Some of the other statistics, some of the other highlights from the quarterly earnings report were their cloud programming, the intelligent cloud programming, up 11% year over year. The Azure cloud programming up 97%. Wow. When we were talking about IBM having trouble maybe taking market share in the cloud space, you can't tell me some of these other companies. You take a look at what Microsoft's doing. There's companies that are coming for that market share. For IBM to be focused solely on what they're doing, 43% of their stuff just on that. This just goes to show you, I think, the contrast of a company that does so well in so many segments like Microsoft compared to a company that used to do so well and is really pigeonholing themselves now. So Microsoft, their business and productivity stuff was up 21%. Microsoft Office, which I thought everybody had Microsoft Office, I thought, up 13%. 13% in sales for Microsoft Office. PC's down 2%, Surface Pro's down 2%, really negligible. Like, it's really just like a swing percentage from quarter to quarter that could really mean, it could mean next to nothing, but there's a lot of new products that do come to market and stuff like that. But as far as I'm concerned, this is one of the best earning reports we've seen so far in the last couple of weeks as big companies start to release their earnings. Microsoft, 27-cent beat on 98 cents EPS. They blew it out of the park. There's no question about it. Microsoft, you got to roll with nerds. You want to make that money, homie.